Hey guys, today we are in Audi Q3 and I'm going to try to disable the start-stop system as well as disable the notification on the instrument cluster. So over here I have OBDeleven, which is already connected to the card. You can use any other diagnostic interface that's capable of changing coding and adaptation values in Volkswagen, Audi, Seat and Skoda cars. So over here I'm going to the list of modules, module 09, which is central electronics. And here, once we are connected with the module, we are going to change the coding. So we are going to select long coding, and over here we are switching to the bit byte view, and the byte that we are interested in is number 26. So let's input 26 over here. And bit 0, the first one, is enabled. We want to disable it. Once it's disabled, you can slide to write the new value to the module. It was stored successfully, and right now we are going to go to module 17, back on the list, which is instrument cluster, and over here we are going to adaptation. And we are looking for adaptation channel called control light for start-stop operation. We can scroll through the list or use the search bar over here. Control. Oh, it's called indicator light for start-stop operation. Okay, it's on. So let's switch it to off. Slide to write it. Adaptation was accepted, so that should be it. Right now I can disconnect from the car and check if that actually worked. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Give me thumbs up if you like this short tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.